Hi, I'm Sperry Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to install a hitch on your Honda Pilot. It's going to allow you to tow up to a 6,000 pound trailer. It's also going to support all kinds of accessories from cargo racks to bicycle racks. So let's get started.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
Okay, we've got our hitch here. You can see I've got it mounted up on our special piece of equipment, the U-Haul hitch jack. If you don't have one of these in your home garage, it's a good idea to get some help doing this because the hitch is heavy. So we'll bring it up here to our vehicle and lift it into place. Notice on this vehicle that we have a compact spare tire. It's going to allow us to install the hitch without removing it. If your vehicle has a full-size spare tire, you're likely going to have to drop that spare tire and get it out of your way. Okay, so we've got our hitch roughly up into place. We've got the elongated holes in the bracket for the hitch lined up with the existing weld nuts in our subframe on our Honda. And our weld nuts are in really great shape. If yours have any kind of corrosion or road debris, you're going to clean those out using a wire brush or a similar sort of cleaning tool. And then we can start installing our bolts. The kit comes with 6 14mm bolts and these dished tooth washers. And we're going to make sure that the tooth side of the washer goes up toward the hitch and vehicle. And we're going to install these just loosely by hand first before tightening everything down. Okay, I've got all my bolts in just hand tight, and I'm going to make sure that the hitch is centered in the vehicle. Just checking it on either side here, making small adjustments, and then we're going to tighten these up, just snug them up. I've got an impact driver, a little 1/2-inch drive extension, and a 22mm socket. So let's snug these up. Now we've got a little bit of an interference issue with this passenger side front bolt where I could flex this exhaust out of the way, but it's not going to be a good situation when we're using our torque wrench for our final tightening. So I'm going to use a pair of exhaust removal pliers and just pop this tailpipe hanger loose so we can get better access to that faster. I'm going to use a little soapy water here too, just to help lubricate this pin as it comes through the rubber. All right, now with our exhaust hanger loose, we can see we can move that exhaust out of the way and get to this fastener. All right, we've got our bolts snugged up. I'm going to use a torque wrench to do our final tightening on here. The spec that is called out for this application is 139 pound-feet of torque. I've set our torque wrench. Various torque wrenches will inform you that you've reached that limit. This one is going to click at me when we get to that value. All right, we've gotten all our fasteners torqued to 139 pound-feet. I'm going to put our exhaust hanger back on here. Easy enough. When we look at our hitch here, it's a really nice tucked up behind the fascia design. You've just got the receiver here, a 2-inch receiver visible below the fascia, this nice strengthening collar on it. Here are your safety chain loops welded on. This is going to be a really good option for anybody to again, tow a trailer, have all kinds of accessories on the back of their Honda Pilot. It's going to allow you to get out and go kayaking, camping, everything that you like to do. So anyway, thanks for watching. A couple key measurements to know about the new hitch on your Honda Pilot. First is from ground to the inside top edge of your receiver tube. On this, it's approximately 13 3/4 inches. That's going to help figure out what ball mount you need to get your trailer at the right height. The second is pin to rear edge of the vehicle. That's approximately 3 3/4 inches on this. That's going to help you figure out some of your accessories, whether it's a bike rack, any accessory you have with a vertical tube on it.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.